Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving access quickly. Sign into Wasabi, pick the nearest region, and generate an access key plus secret key. Once done, save the keys in a secure password manager so you won't lose them. Install the AWS CLI or another S3 compatible client now, and configure it using the Wasabi endpoint and your keys. This gets you from 0 to a configured client, so you can operate buckets, sync data, and script uploads without interrupting workflow. Next, create one or more buckets with descriptive names and set the region to match your performance needs. Once the bucket exists, apply lifecycle rules. For example, transition objects to cheaper storage after 30 days or delete after retention ends. Then configure a bucket policy or an IAM policy that grants only the permissions you need. Upload, list, delete, so you protect data. Make sure to test by uploading a small file and confirming the policy. Finally, transfer data using AWS CLI Sync, rclone, or SDK. For large files, enable multi-part uploads to avoid failures. Once transfers work, automate with cron jobs or backup tools and monitor usage to control costs. If something breaks, first check the endpoint and region, then verify access key and secret, and confirm the IAM/bucket policy permits the action. If uploads hang, inspect network. Retry with smaller part size, and make sure your client supports Wasabi's S3 compatible behavior.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.